Have you ever contemplated how individuals or groups make decisions when their outcomes are interconnected? Today, we are diving deep into the realm of cooperative game theory. In the simplest terms, cooperative game theory is a branch of mathematics that studies the behavior of decision-makers who can enforce cooperative behavior, hence the name. The players in these games can form binding agreements about the strategies they will play. These agreements are known as coalitions. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's dissect this a bit further. The key to understanding cooperative game theory lies in its two main components: the players and the payoffs. Players are the decision makers. They could be individuals, groups, companies, or even nations. Payoffs, on the other hand, represent the outcome for each player, given the combination of strategies chosen by all players. Cooperative game theory assumes that players can communicate, negotiate, and form alliances or coalitions to achieve a beneficial outcome. This is where it deviates from non-cooperative game theory, which assumes players cannot make such agreements. The most notable concept in cooperative game theory is the core. The core is a set of outcomes that cannot be improved upon by a subset of players, which means no group of players has an incentive to break away from a coalition because they cannot do any better on their own or with a different coalition. Another important concept is the Shapley value. Named after Lloyd Shapley, a Nobel laureate in economic sciences, it provides a method for fairly distributing the total payoff of a game among the players based on their individual contributions. Now, you might wonder, why does cooperative game theory matter? Well, it's practically everywhere. It's in politics when parties form coalitions to gain majority. It's in business when companies form alliances to increase market share. It's even in nature when animals form groups for survival. To summarize, cooperative game theory is the study of how decision-makers can form coalitions to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. It's about communication, negotiation, and cooperation. It's grounded in the concepts of the core and the Shapley value, which help us understand fairness and stability in games. So, the next time you see groups forming in politics, businesses collaborating, or even animals grouping together, remember, it's all a game, a cooperative game. It's about working together, making strategic decisions, and sharing the benefits in a way that everyone feels is fair. In essence, cooperative game theory provides a mathematical model to understand, predict, and optimize these cooperative scenarios. It's a fascinating field with wide-ranging applications, and it's another tool in our kit to better understand the complex world around us. And with that, we've reached the end of our deep dive into cooperative game theory. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, life is a game, so play it cooperatively.